Movie takes place in 11th century. Two mercenaries, Willem and Tovar, are pursued by bandits while looking for a black powder. One day they stumble upon the Great Wall and are taken prisoners by Chinese soldiers from Nameless Order. This order was conceived for the sole purpose of repelling a horde of alien monsters. Before deciding what to do with these two mercenaries, they get attacked by monsters. Battalions are mobilized to defend the wall. Meanwhile, Willem and Tovar are freed by Sir Ballard, who came for black powder a long time ago but never got a chance to leave. Willem and Tovar help the Nameless Order to defend the wall until the Queen of Monsters recalls her warriors. Their skills earn the respect of the Nameless Order. Later, Willem, Tovar, and Ballard plan to steal the black powder from the storeroom and flee while the soldiers are occupied in a battle. Later on, General Lin meets with Willem and explains that these monsters attack every 60 years and the only way to stop them is to kill the Queen. Around this time, a convoy arrives from the capital with an ancient scroll suggesting that monsters are caught by magnets. Willem comes out with a plan to capture one monster and test a theory, which puts him into odds with Tovar, who wants to steal the powder and leave. They capture one of the monsters similarly to capturing a whale. During the same time, the Order uses black powder to defend the captured monster from escaping. Willem realizes that black powder is too powerful for one country to have and use in wars. He tries to stop Tovar and Ballard from stealing the powder but get knocked unconscious. Tovar and Ballard escape but get captured by bandits. Nameless Order goes after them and arrests Tovar while bandits kill Ballard. Meanwhile, General Lin learns that the monsters dig a hole under the wall and escaped, heading towards the capital. She orders to use hot air balloons to get to capital before the horde of monsters. Willem decides to join the fight and defend the capital against the horde. He arrives just in time to save Lin from being devoured and land in Emperor's palace. They come up with an idea to kill the Queen by tying an explosive to the captured monster and give it meat to be delivered to the Queen. With the monster released, Lin and Willem climb to the tower to shoot a black powder rocket and blow up the Queen. After two fails, Willem decides to throw a magnet into the horde to put the monsters to sleep before Lin throws her spear with black powder, killing the Queen. With the horde destroyed, Willem frees Tovar and two of them head back to Europe. Hey pancakes, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and share. If you want me to do any other movies or TV shows, let me know in the comments below which ones you want me to do next. Or don't, it's up to you. But make sure to subscribe for more.